Welcome to my kitchen. I was about to start cooking dinner for tonight and I thought, why wouldn't I just turn on the camera and show you what I'm about to do. As you can see, I have a lot of stuff going on here. I have beets, I have those turnips, I have radishes, I have cucumbers, daikon radish, yellow beets. So I was thinking of making some sort of raw vegetables or beets carpaccio. So what do you think? So I'm gonna clean all the vegetables and we'll get started. So I cleaned all the vegetables, so now I'm gonna just peel beets. So now I'm gonna use my mandoline to shape all of these vegetables so they're nice and thin. Let's start with daikon radish. Perfect. Wait a second. Don't forget about the glove. Now let's do beets. Let's start with, I don't know, yellow beet. Let's do cucumbers next. The dressing will be super simple. I'm gonna use olive oil, white wine vinegar, salt, pepper, and a little bit of lemon juice. You can also put some lemon zest in the dressing, but I'm gonna use lemon zest on top of the carpaccio, so I'm gonna skip this step. Let's blend it. Let's try. Perfect. I think we can start plating, so just, layers of stuff. Maybe let's start with daikon radish. And it doesn't have to be perfect. Some beets. Let's add some salt in some of the layers too. Cucumbers. Radishes, red beets, I'm gonna add some lemon zest here, this layer, and some dressing. Lightly. Alright, I think at this point it looks pretty good. I'm gonna add a little bit of dressing on top, and we're gonna add some fresh herbs, and you can use any herbs that you have in your fridge. I'm gonna use some mint, some basil, lemon zest. So for my herbs, I'm using mint, basil, and some chives. Put it on top. The next step is optional, but you can always add some nuts. I'm gonna use some walnuts, so I roasted some walnuts. Just on top. We're gonna finish with some goat cheese. And that is it. Raw vegetables, carpaccio, for any party, for just dinner, special occasion, this beauty is ready. See you later.